Ooh. Been a little while, had a couple bites, but went up and turned around. It seemed like as I was getting shallower, I just simply wasn't getting any bites. I turned around, coming back down, not back down to where I caught those fish, but almost getting there, back in like 10 feet of water. I don't think, nah, it's a little one. Caught him on the, don't know if you can see it there, on the shad that I just netted. They're not flipping in here anymore like they were. I hate these little channel cats. They're bad. There we go. There he is. Bad thing about this shad is it's really delicate, so it comes off the hook easy.